What's up guys, I just received the Stealth home exercise gadget. Let's check it out. It comes with a simple manual instruction. I'm sure this one is not gonna sit around and collect dust like the ellipticals or the Peloton or anything like that. I think this is it. Start exercising right away. And you just need to hit the same color basically. Now I need to hit the blue. I love it. I just downloaded right now the Stealth app. It's an amazing app. That's what everything the Stealth is about. Basically that you can enjoy playing games. I advise you to do the premium because you get a new game every month. Although there's free games, so there's like a bunch of stuff here. This device is amazing because you can play games with it. So it's really entertaining. Remember, you don't have to do full plank position. You can just start easy, like this. I'm still getting a nice workout like that. So here the game just told me that you can still twist so you can get the maximum benefit. I love it. This is a great incentive to like play a game while you're working out. It's amazing. So it's a great concept and it's never boring.